Hello children, let's continue with our GK work. I hope all of you know GK work you have in your Hughes 1 semester 1 book. And first of all, we will go through semester 1 book, some selected chapters in which we have gone through travel bug in our first class. Now we will start with page number 215, odd ones with ook. Okay, from semester 1 book. So here you can see some words have been given in which one word does not suit the group. Okay, you have to find out that word and you have to cross that odd word. Okay, now let us go through salad, fries, chalk, curry, ice cream. Here 5 words are given. Which one is odd one out? Yes, chalk. Why? Because all other things are edible. We can eat like salad, fries, curry, ice cream we can eat. But a chalk is used by a teacher to write on the blackboard. Now number 2, bear, tiger, lion, dog, wolf. Now from here you have to find out which one is odd one out. Here, which one is odd one out? Yes, dog. Why? Because all other animals are wild animals while dog is a pet animal. Okay children, now the third one, TV, cat, fridge, iron and computer. Here children, try to find out which one is not matching the group. Yes, exactly correct, cat. Why? TV, fridge, iron and computer all are electronic item. On the other hand, cat the animal. Okay, and it's a pet. Now next one, tea, coffee, milk, juice and candy. Here which one is odd one out? Yes, candy. Why? Because tea, coffee, milk, juice, all the things you can drink, but candy is something to eat. Okay, next one, mango, rose, marigold, daisy, sunflower. Which one? Yes, it is mango because all others are names of flower like rose, marigold, daisy, sunflower. All are names of flowers. On the other hand, mango is the name of a fruit. Now, next one, number 6, cup, dish, spoon, bag and fork. Here which one? Yes, it is bag. Why? Because all other things are used in the kitchen. We use them like cup, dish, spoon, fork and bag. Bag is something in which we carry our things. Okay, so bag is odd one out. This way you complete this page in the book only. Now let's move to page number 218, national symbols. People in India speak different languages, wear different clothes and eat different food. So you know children, people in India, they speak different languages like Punjabi, Gujarati, Bengali, Marathi. There are many other languages which people speak. Then they wear different clothes according to the state and they also eat different food items which is popular in their state. So national symbols are things that unite us. National symbol is common in all part of the world. Actually national symbol unite us, make us stand together. They are symbols that everyone feels proud of. So can you complete the names of some our national symbols? Let us go through. Number 1, you can see the picture. Which picture? It's the picture of your national tree. What is the name of it? Yes, it is banyan. 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 So learn it up properly. Number 2, national flower. What flower can you see? This is the national flower of our country. Yes, it is lotus. Lotus, lotus. Now number 3, national fruit. Which fruit can you see children? Yes, it is a mango. So our national fruit is mango. Now number 4, national animal. Yes, which animal can you see in the picture children? Yes, it is tiger. So our national animal is tiger. Number 5, national bird. Which bird can you see in the picture? Yes, it is a peacock. Beautiful peacock which spreads its feathers and looks very beautiful. Now number 6, national game. Which game can you see, children? They are playing. Yes, it's hockey. Our national game is hockey. So you will learn all these national symbols, and if required we will provide you more. Now, the national flag of India is also a national symbol. Which color flag do we have? We have tricolor flag. So, our national flag is also our national symbol, and the national anthem, it is also a national symbol of our country. Okay, children? So, you just try to find out all the words of the national anthem and learn it up. Learn all the national symbols. Complete this page in your book also. We will continue with the next page in our next class. Till then, take care. Thank you.